say my video.
One me yire kasai. No say na abre si ye no. Na munya plane man. Aden na one frame me. Who frame me asenka me private jet be go doma akwa na bankan. If you say nkofo fi say me private jet no luxury tea. But aho kire te say nti ene ewo ho. Who frame me anka ba be fa no dodo.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it. You get it. If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. You said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.
For Aquaba, Hanum ya Paco Rich Studios. The first time I reach in I'm a sorrow.
Yeah.
Mom quit you, but wasn't me a notification bell. No, subscribe, become this part of family.
Yeah.
Now I show Facebook, TikTok now. That's why in your hand put in or please YouTube and wasn't content about my YouTube. Yeah, more.
Yeah.
Go and subscribe and watch. I will pump a click. Now for sure TikTok.
Yeah.
Yeah. Today I do this alone. I'm doing this with my brother.
PKB original. Yeah, man.
Yes, sir.
PKB original.
PKB.
Yeah, man.
In the Kofi Aduma when
seriously.
Kofi Aduma when you make us sad. You see, and I will use this opportunity to tell everyone there. See, life, you never know what will come. See, you can make every wealth in this life, but one unfortunate incident, but may change the whole story in our life. Kofi Aduma when you a successful media man like that. And the wife was so sub you or your hand on part to the man. But that is not even the issue today. PKB.
Yeah, man.
There is a video about Kofi Aduma speaking about Nisi, how he spoke on air in times of trouble like that for him. Or very disappointing. But he said something very interesting about the president's brother, Mr. Ibrahim Mahama. And I would like us to watch the video. Now, the video we'll have this beautiful conversation. Say my video.
One me yire kasai. No say na abre si ye no. Na munya plane man. Aden na one frame me. Who frame me asenka me private jet be go doma akwa na bankan. If you say nkofo fi say me private jet no luxury tea. But aho kire te say nti ene ewo ho. Wo frame me anka ba be fa no dodo.
Kofi Aduma when he can he's talking about president na brother with Ibrahim Mahama. Na time what to a true war doma ehwana okone nwomen. Na aircraft biara nyiwa wo botum emergency wa fly into Accra when medical attention tantamount. One second Ibrahim Mahama worker situation chairman zoke in the na me private jet you see what you then. Now a lot of people think that the private jets that I bought was for luxury purposes. Na chade amwo ho abet odum bribia nyipa hiam bo bi da. Enna damo private jet no ho ba mfa so. And abama me believe the man me feel the man to the extent then with Ibrahim Mahama ye man dia. And I share Mahama ebusuana or wakuma.
Yeah.
Because some few years ago, now somewhat John Baka sent me there. Onyeninga Castro wakwa denga Castro went to missing. For President John Mahama na someone catch on in there. Papa, I'm waiting here, and I somewhat John Cassen on money helicopters and coco 10. There one one and a one shishing young man. Inti Obi today Ibrahim Mahama yin pebi or man more day. And a protect and a
yes.
The president's brother and Papa Kasebina someone put there.
Charlie, don't worry, anyone who can because me cry personally, let me feel say me say what top private jet and PCBA for luxury.
Ebi anko be too quiet no any girls and wives and baby sa na omo dwale won fa.
I dey compare bia na me adwuma wom in a private jet or what did your love?
Ebi so dwale won fa me mo ni ade o. Private jet bomb my car ni ade but Ibrahim Mahama dey say na me feel say bia no be no dey kwakwa but say no dey philanthropic and you know na ya drink so even Joy News about out on some of the issues with the girl who had leukemia and idea. Documentary and girl they fly girl up and about just to get treatment. And so he's been doing this not today, but say they are all kind of politics they did argument in the dream shut down call say papa in the JT cry and say na philanthropic human or the and Kofi Charlie. Kudos to the Mahama family. Like they are doing all they can. And as more
just look at this man. He's the one that he does things for people on needs.
Yes.
Because do you know that when Kofi Aduma when he had communicated to them that his the things are coming on board to support him, this man still showed up and still supported him.
Yes. Because Charlie, he's just a good man. Ibrahim Mahama, dear.
Look at when he started giving his aircraft out to President Mahama to travel with it. Complaining, but this was at his own cost.
Though.
In the country, what benefits it? Charlie, you see,
yes.
But I'm telling you, authority there. On tour, you wouldn't know that we have such great people. If somebody like Ibrahim Mahama was able to do this for Kofi Aduma Wonwini, a brand new CEO, then Charlie able papa about it before great time high.
Yeah. Like Charlie.
Big ups to the man we call Ibrahim Mahama. Chairman, continue doing what you can do.
Yes.
This is what you do best.
Yes. Just to
and
help.
And our brother here, president, even in opposition, we saw staffs.
Ejuma now Betty and there or man people say $15,000. People say 100. Charlie.
The man is a good man, brother. Ibrahim Mahama is a good man that this country should,
protect at all costs.
Protect him at all costs. It's guys, I don't know what you think about Ibrahim Mahama, but I feel that he's a rich man with the purpose.
Yes.
Yes, a rich man within this guy. Ibrahim Mahama, what dress is
simple. Kaki na ne top what to do. Straight line.
Serious.
Chale.
I
wish I'm waiting to meet that man.
Ibrahim Mahama, me uncle. You know, if you have such
uncle there, Ube did this, or your papa there, I'll be to make us say this on my.
Big shout out to the man we call Ibrahim Mahama.
Yeah, man.
Like Kofi Aduma when he also, wish
speedy recovery, Charlie.
Healing. I mean, a lot of people had made silly news out of these things, and they are trying to connect a whole lot of nonsense. But Charlie, I heard somebody saying something about one Anochi Supremo who was, having eye problem at Kofi Aduma Wonwini on his own goodwill
interview,
did stuff and flew him to India.
Yes.
Now the family are talking bad there. Warwick when they couldn't add a family member. Look at this. And I've seen, let me leave it here. But Kofi, you see, what's it? Dom Nenyus also in Takachawo there have been so many attempts and attacks on you, but trust me, when you will surely come out of this one.
Yes.
Brother, we'll definitely be well someday, okay?
Yeah.
On behalf of Pakori Studios, we sympathize with your situation. We're out of here.
Peace.
I don't want peace. I want problem. Always.
You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it.
Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie, all the lie, all the lie. He said all the lie.
Talk to the rich.